Toss-up 1. Math, short answer. What is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix with first row -2, -3, and second row 8, -4? Answer, 32. Bonus 1. Math, multiple choice. What is the probability that the bottom card in a deck of cards is a queen and the top card is a king? W, 1 over 169. X, 4 over 663. Y, 5 over 663. Z, 1 over 2702. Answer. X, 4 over 663. Toss-up 2. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following types of microscopy require the specimen to be subjected to a vacuum? W. Fluorescence. X. Transmission electron. Y. Scanning tunneling. Z. Dark field. Answer. X. Transmission electron. Bonus 2. Biology, short answer. What type of learning involves an animal associating a behavioral response with punishment or reward? Answer. Operant learning. Toss-up 3. Earth and space, multiple choice. How does the synodic period of the moon relate to its sidereal period? W. Its synodic period is 2 days longer. X. Its synodic period is 1 day shorter. Y. Its synodic period is 1 day longer. Z. Its synodic period is 2 days shorter. Answer. W. Its synodic period is 2 days longer. Bonus 3. Earth and space, short answer. The spectra of type 1a supernovae are unique because they do not contain lines for what element? Answer. Hydrogen. Toss-up 4. Physics, short answer. A small ball is fired horizontally off the edge of a table at 3 meters per second, taking 0.4 seconds to hit the ground below. When the ball hits the floor, how far, in meters, is it horizontally from the edge of the table? Answer, 1.2. Bonus 4. Physics, short answer. A rope is oscillated in such a way that it creates a standing wave with a wavelength of 3 meters and an amplitude of 0.4 meters. What is the distance, in meters, between the highest and lowest positions of a piece of the rope? 0.25 meters from a node. Answer, 0.4. Toss-up 5. Chemistry, multiple choice. Change in which of the following quantities must be positive for a spontaneous process? W. Gibbs free energy of the system. X. Entropy of the system. Y. Gibbs free energy of the universe. Z. Entropy of the universe. Answer. Z. Entropy of the universe. Bonus 5. Chemistry, multiple choice. The reaction of hypochlorite and chloride ions in the presence of sulfuric acid generates gaseous chlorine endothermically in a closed vessel. Increasing which of the following would shift the reaction to the left? W. Volume. X. Temperature. Y. pH. Z. Pressure of inert gas. Answer. Y. pH. Toss-up 6. Energy, multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the percentage of energy lost as heat in an incandescent light bulb? W. 30. X. 50. Y. 70. Z. 90. Answer. Z. 90. Bonus 6. Energy, multiple choice. In a nuclear power plant, the fission reaction directly yields all but which of the following? W. Neutrons. X. Fission products. Y. Fission gamma rays. Z. Electrical current. Answer. Z. Electrical current. Toss-up 7. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following conditions is common to both warm and cold fronts? W. Steady barometer readings. X. Divergence of surface winds. Y. Decreasing precipitation rates. Z. Lifting of warm air over a cold air mass. Answer. Z. Lifting of warm air over a cold air mass. Bonus 7. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is a reason that long-term preservation of deep-sea carbonates is rare? W. Most ocean crust and overlying sediments are subducted. X. Most parts of the deep ocean floor lie above the carbonate compensation depth. Y. There is little carbonate-forming material occurring in ocean water. Z. Carbonates react with silicates in the deep ocean. Answer. W. Most ocean crust and overlying sediments are subducted. Toss-up 8. Physics, multiple choice. An infinite number of 1-ohm resistors are connected in parallel so that there is 1 on the first branch, 2 in series on the second branch, 3 in series on the third, and so on. What is the overall resistance, in ohms, of this circuit? W. 0. X. 2. Y. Pi. Z. Natural log of 2. Answer. W. 0. Bonus 8. Physics, short answer. What criterion states that two objects are resolvable if the angular separation between them is enough such that the first diffraction maxima of one object coincides with the minima of the other? Answer: Rayleigh criterion. Toss-up 9. Biology, multiple choice. Most cells are exposed to extracellular glucose concentrations higher than those inside the cell. Glucose is taken up by these cells via which of the following? W. Osmosis. X. Active transport. Y. Exocytosis. Z. Facilitated diffusion. Answer: Z. Facilitated diffusion. Bonus 9. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following mutations would most likely result in a frameshift mutation? W. Single base substitution. X. Triple base substitution. Y. Single base deletion. Z. Triple base deletion. Answer: Y. Single base deletion. Toss-up 10. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following three metals that have soluble chlorides. 1. Silver, 2. Iron, 3. Zinc. Answer: 2 and 3. Bonus 10. Chemistry, multiple choice. Consider the gas phase exothermic reaction of phosphorus trichloride with chlorine to yield phosphorus pentachloride. Under which of the following conditions is the equilibrium constant greater than 1? W. At low temperatures. X. At high temperatures. Y. At all temperatures. Z. It is never greater than 1. Answer: W. At low temperatures. Toss-up 11. Energy, multiple choice. Which U.S. state received over 70% of its electricity from hydroelectric power in 2013? W. Maine. X. Texas. Y. Nebraska. Z. Washington. Answer: Z. Washington. Bonus 11. Energy, multiple choice. According to the Energy Information Administration, which of the following is closest to the net number of barrels of oil per day imported by the United States in 2012? W. 1 million. X. 10 million. Y. 100 million. Z. 1 billion. Answer: X. 10 million. Toss-up 12. Math, short answer. What is the complex conjugate of negative 4 minus 36i? Answer, -4 plus 36i. Bonus, 12. Math, short answer. What are the radius and the coordinates of the center, respectively, of the circle with equation x squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 6y equals 0? Answer. Radius 5, center, -4, 3. Toss-up, 13. Physics, short answer. On a spring break trip, Sarah and her 3 friends run out of gas while driving to Florida. The nearest gas station is 1.1 kilometers away. If they apply a constant cumulative force of 1,200 newtons to the car, how much work will they do, in joules, by pushing the car to the gas station? Answer, 1,320,000. Bonus, 13. Physics, short answer. An electron is fired through parallel plate electrodes that are 5 mm apart. A 2 militesla magnetic field is perpendicular to the electric field between the plates, which have a potential difference of 600 volts. If the electron is not deflected, at what speed, in meters per second and in scientific notation, is it traveling? Answer, 6.0 x 10 to the 7th power. Toss-up, 14. Energy, short answer. What type of machine, used by both hydroelectric plants and uranium nuclear power plants, converts kinetic energy to electrical energy? Answer. Generator. Bonus, 14. Energy, short answer. Characterized by its rotten egg smell, what gas released by geothermal plants is of great environmental concern? Answer. Hydrogen sulfide. Toss-up, 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is true about radiometric dating? W. All parent material in a mineral is converted to the daughter product. X. When the quantities of parent and daughter products are equal, 2 half-lives have transpired. Y. The number of radioactive atoms that decay during one half-life is always the same. Z. The percentage of radioactive atoms that decay during one half-life is always the same. Answer. Z. The percentage of radioactive atoms that decay during one half-life is always the same. Bonus, 15. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following statements that are true about zodiacal light. 1. It is produced when sunlight is scattered by cosmic dust. 2. It appears as a faint white glow near the horizon. 3. It is best viewed at midnight. Answer, 1 and 2. Toss-up, 16. Biology, multiple choice. The size of most mammalian cells is closest to which of the following? W, 1 picometer. X, 1 micrometer. Y, 1 millimeter. Z, 1 centimeter. Answer. X, 1 micrometer. Bonus, 16. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following proteins is involved with prokaryotic transcription? W. DNA polymerase 3. X. Sigma factor. Y. Elongation factor. Z. Aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. Answer. X. Sigma factor. Toss-up, 17. Math, short answer. What is the derivative with respect to x of -5 divided by x to the 6th power? Answer, 30 over x to the 7th. Bonus, 17. Math, short answer. What are the linear factors of the polynomial 2ab plus 3a minus 8b minus 12? Answer, a minus 4 and 2b plus 3. Toss-up, 18. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following statements is not true regarding alloys? W. Alloys are generally more brittle than the metals from which they are made. X. Alloys are generally harder than the metals from which they are made. Y. Alloys are generally better electric conductors than the metals from which they are made. Z. Alloys are generally worse thermal conductors than the metals from which they are made. Answer. Y. Alloys are generally better electric conductors than the metals from which they are made. Bonus, 18. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following techniques would be most useful for determining the change in enthalpy of a reaction? W. Visible light spectroscopy. X. Calorimetry. Y. Crystallography. Z. Gravimetry. Answer. X. Calorimetry. Toss-up, 19. Physics, short answer. What general term refers to lighting that uses LEDs as sources of illumination rather than electrical filaments, plasma, or gas? Answer. Solid-state lighting. Bonus, 19. Physics, short answer. What state of matter, consisting of bosons cooled to nearly absolute zero, allows for the macroscopic observation of quantum phenomena? Answer. Bose-Einstein condensate. Toss-up, 20. Chemistry, short answer. A cylinder has an internal diameter of 3 cm and a piston is depressed 20 cm with a pressure of 2 atmospheres. Assuming that atmospheric pressure is 1 × 10⁵ pascals, to 2 significant figures and in joules, how much work is done during the compression? Answer, 28. Bonus 20. Chemistry, short answer. A 12.4-liter balloon is at 27 degrees Celsius. It is cooled at constant pressure to negative 23 degrees Celsius. To the nearest tenth and in liters, what is the final volume of the balloon? Answer, 10.3. Toss-up, 21. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following countries has lost the greatest land area of forest to deforestation over the past decade? W. Brazil. X. Ecuador. Y. Zimbabwe. Z. Venezuela. Answer. W. Brazil. Bonus 21. Earth and space, short answer. Arrange the following distances in our solar system from smallest to largest, taking thickness to mean the difference between the outer and inner radii of an annulus or spherical shell. 1. Thickness of the Oort cloud. 2. Separation of Earth and Venus at inferior conjunction. 3. Thickness of the asteroid belt. Answer 2, 3, 1. Toss-up 22. Math, short answer. If all of the prime factors of 444, including multiple occurrences, are added, how much greater will the result be than that for 222? Answer 2. Bonus 22. Math, short answer. Two circles with radii of 3 inches and 1 inch have the same center. What is the ratio of the area of the annulus between the inner circle and the outer circle to the area of the inner circle? Answer 8. Toss-up 23. Physics, short answer. What particular type of Raman scattering occurs when the emitted photon is of higher wavelength than the incident one? Answer. Stokes. Bonus 23. Physics, short answer. In the BCS theory of superconductivity, the correlation between two electrons leads to a reduction in electron scattering that forms the basis of superconductivity. What is the name of this group of electrons? Answer. A Cooper pair.